Alright guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path, and holy shit is it hot outside. Fuck, it's like plus 35 or 38 or something like that, and that's like with humidity, and that's just like, I got sweat coming off my sweat. Alright, short video, wasn't recorded. You know the reason why, it's just dumbass, whatever. So, what I did was, I took a piece of diamond willow, I carved it. I took all the bark off. A lot of rotten spots inside. Doesn't matter. That looks pretty cool like that. Then, I put my epoxy on it. Isn't that nice? Yes, epoxy does well to sticks. Don't let anybody else tell you that. They're full of shit when they tell you stuff like that. They're jealous and they're dumb. Those thumbs down guys, I know who you are. Don't care. Anyway, then we added the family of frogs. These guys are 3D printed, okay, guys? They're painted. Now, it would have been better if the stick was a little bit wider, because it doesn't matter what happens, the legs are gonna stick out. Hopefully, if you're purchasing this, whoever you are, you don't drop it, because you probably end up gonna break them if you're not careful. Careful with your shit. But let's see. I took the frogs, took a drill, small bit, put a hole in his belly, took a nail, crazy glued the nail in, took the other side, drilled a hole into the wood, put some crazy glue on it, pushed it down. Step 1, 2, 3. All right, so you can see that they're all on there, and they're on there the way I want it to be. The handle will be like this, so you're walking with it almost like a thumb right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs are visible in the front. 1 frog for you to see in the back while you're walking. Hey, I don't care. I like it. You like it. Don't like it. Don't give a shit. It's good. We're having fun. Okay, next step. I am going to put more epoxy on it. I'm going to mostly focus on the epoxy on the frogs. This will make them harder. Hopefully they don't break off. You know what, guys? Just like anything else, when you're carving wood, 3D printing, you're adding stuff on to an item that's going to be used. You just got to give these people a warning. You know, you drop it and you break it, that's your own stupidity. So one thing that could be added could be some sort of, you know, rope around here kind of thing. You know, if you're putting it down, put it down, you know, carefully, blah, blah, blah. That's how it works. I mean, I haven't broken, well, no, I shouldn't say that. I have broken 2 of my sticks, but I never put epoxy on them. Now I do. All right, so I'm gonna just add it on because it's not, you may see it differently. I'll add it on and then I'll show a final version of it with the epoxy on. It takes at least a day or 2 to cure. You know, it's so hot in here, it may even cure faster, or I'll stick it out in the sun. Because what I do is I put a hook on the bottom and I hang it up in here in the shop or outside so the sun can get it. Always watch out for major leaking. When it drips, you don't want drips all over. This one's pretty good. The stick is very solid. I mean, even with the big, I'm going to show you a piece right here. This almost went right through to the back. Not right through like it's gonna, but with the epoxy on it, it ain't gonna happen. I smacked the stick. I dropped it 3, 4 times without the frogs on it. I haven't had an issue yet. So yeah, let me know what you think of this one. I think it looks pretty cool. Something different. I wanted to try something different. Carving, do it all the time. 3D printing, starting, new business, new job, side job, whatever. I wanted to see what it would look like. I think it looks fantastic. I have a buddy who's like super interested in frogs. Maybe he might purchase it. If not, it'll be out there. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe. It's the best thing, because then, you know what? You get to see my ugly face all the time. Hit that bell. The bell, wherever the hell that bell is. That'll tell you when I'm putting up new videos, and if you don't want it, don't hit it, because then you know, maybe I'm annoying you. Whatever. So, next step is putting the epoxy on here and letting it sit, and then it'll be ready to go. All right. Oh yeah, tip jar at the bottom. Always got to say that. That's theirs. Thanks for everybody's help and support. Helps us create more. When we say create more, it's just for certain things that are purchased to make items. It's, you know, it's not like it's huge. I mean, unless you got buddies that are millionaires and they want to drop a couple million in my tip jar, hey, we'll take it. I'll buy you coffee, in fact. but you know what I mean? It just helps out for stuff like stupid things like me just videotaping off, recording off of my phone. You know, slowly I will get a good camera that will show better quality, maybe. We'll see. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.